Good morning student, welcome back to physics point again. At that time we have complete our theory articles of electricity chapter. Now there are some numericals related with different articles and that we want to solve it one by one in an easy manner. So let us start that class. We will firstly solve that first question. First of all we have to understand what is the meaning of this statement. Here examiner says how much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across between 2 points. Suppose these are the 2 points and there is a potential difference of 12 volt act. Suppose these point P and Q and we want to move the charge, that is 2 coulomb. So we know that first V is equal to W upon Q. All of know it is the definition of electric potential or potential difference. Now what we want to find what done, then V 2Q. What is the V between these 2 points? 12 volt. And what is the charge that we want to move from P to Q? That is 2 coulomb. That means 24 joule. Joule is the SI unit of work done. 20 joule is the right answer for question number first. Now question number second. In question number second, how many resistor of 170 ohm each? Means हमारे पास कितने रजिस्टर हमें नहीं पता, लेकिन हमें पता है हर एक रजिस्टर 176 ओम का है जो कि शुड बी कनेक्ट इन पैरेलल, जिसे पैरेलल में जोड़ना होगा और पैरेलल में जोड़ने के बाद सो दैट उसमें से 5 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो करेगा सर्किट में। कब? जब उस पर 220 वोल्ट लाइन जुड़े। तो इस पिक्चर से करते हैं इसको। ये हमने एक 220 वोल्ट लाइन ले ली और इसके अंदर हम रजिस्टर्स को जोड़ देते हैं पैरेलल से। तो हमने ये फर्स्ट, ये सेकंड, ये थर्ड और ऐसे करते हुए हम यहाँ तक चलेंगे। अब मैंने इन सब में रजिस्टर्स जोड़ दिए, 1 2 3 और ये मेरा ऐसे करते हुए एन, और ये सारे मैंने इस लाइन से जोड़ दिए इस तरह से। तो ये सारे क्या हैं? पहला भी 176 ओम है, दूसरा भी 176 ओम है, तीसरा भी 176 ओम है, ये लास्ट वाला भी 176 ओम, और ऐसे कितने हैं ये एन। अब हमें करना क्या है? पहले इन पैरेलल का रेजिस्टेंस पकड़ते हैं। वी आर इफेक्टिव हमारे पास कितना होता है? हमें पता है कि आर पैरेलल में बराबर होता है 1/R 1/R2, ऐसे कितने हैं एन। तो हम इसको कहाँ तक लेके जाएंगे? 1n टाइम्स। अब क्योंकि R1 भी सेम है, R2 भी सेम है, ऐसे करते Rn भी सेम है, सारों का R ले लेते हैं, दैट इज 176 ओम। सो 1/Rp कितना होगा? 1/76 प्लस 1/76, ऐसे करते जाएंगे कितने टाइम्स? n टाइम्स। तो 1/Rp बराबर हो गया जी 1/76, 1 2 3 कितनी बार? n बार। ये हो गया n टाइम्स 1 1। व्हाट अबाउट Rp बाय ओम्स लॉ? V कितना था? V लगाया गया ऐसे 220 वोल्ट, यहाँ पर 220 वोल्ट लगा हुआ है और करंट कितना उठा रहा है सर्किट? 5 एम्पियर करंट। तो R इफेक्टिव कितना निकलना चाहिए आपको यहाँ से? V अपॉन I, क्योंकि V इज इक्वल टू आई आर, तो R हो गया V अपॉन I। V कितना है? 220 और R कितना? 5। ये कट गया, कितना आ गया? 44 ओम आ गया, 44 ओम आ गया। इस 44 को यहाँ रख देंगे। सो पिक्चर में 1/44 1/76 गुना n, इसको उधर लेके जाएंगे तो n की वैल्यू 176/44 एंड दैट इज 4 आंसर। सो देयर आर 4 रजिस्टर्स, total 4 resistors, each of 176 ohm should be connected in parallel to a battery 220 volts so that a 5 ampere current can flow from that circuit. This is all about second statement question. Now we will solve question number 3. In third question, there is an electric bulb of 220 वोल्ट। तो पहले हम दो बल्ब ले लेते हैं, ये बल्ब B1 और ये बल्ब B2। एक बल्ब की वोल्टेज 220 और पावर 20, तो पावर हो गई 100 वाट और वोल्ट हो गई 220 वोल्ट। बट सेकंड बल्ब के लिए पावर वोल्टेज कितनी है 110 वोल्ट, बट पावर का हमें पता नहीं, वो हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है। सबसे पहले इन दोनों से रेजिस्टेंस निकालते हैं। पी का फार्मूला होता है V स्क्वायर अपॉन आर, तो आर का क्या हो गया यहाँ से V स्क्वायर अपॉन पी। V स्क्वायर 220 गुना 220 अपॉन पी कितना है 100। ये 2 जीरो से कट गए, ये आ गया जी 484 ओम। ये हमारे पास रजिस्टर है। अब इस रजिस्टर को इसमें यूज कर दें तो पावर पता लग जाएगी। पावर का फार्मूला के लिए क्या बनेगा V का स्क्वायर अपॉन आर। आर कौन सा ये वाला, तो V स्क्वायर कितना है 110 गुना 110 अपॉन नीचे कितना 484। अब ये कितना करेंगे 121 और 2 जीरो अपॉन 484, that will be your answer. You can cut it in decimal also. This will solve your power. Next, if you want to solve what is the value, then you can check it 1 to 1 upon 484 into 100, that will be cut on 4. 1 upon 4 into 100, it will be 25 watt. Power unit SI unit is watt. That means 25 watt will be consumed power during supply 110 volt. Question number next, 4th. There is a TV and second is there is a toaster. What about TV? Power TV has 250 watt and timing 1 hour. But in that case 1200 watt and timing 10 minutes. 10 minutes you have to change in hours, you have to divide 16, it will be 1 upon 6 hours. Now we know that you have to first convert power into kilowatt. You have to time divided by 1000, and similarly here 1200 divided by 1000. Now these cut 1 upon 4 and here 20 cancel out and it will be 12 upon 10. This is our power, that is our kilowatt, and this is in kilowatt. Now we know that work done, power into time. For power, this one, this is TV, and this power done for toaster. It will be answer power into T. Here power 1 upon 4 and time 1, that means 1 upon 4 kilowatt hour. But here power 1 upon 12 upon 10 and timing 1 upon 6, but 2 by 10 means 1 upon 5 kilowatt hour. Which one is greater here? Because this is larger term in lower side, so if we cut it, then it will be 0.25 kilowatt hour, and it will be cut 0.20 kilowatt hour. In that manner, it is clear that the energy consumed in TV is much more than in toaster. In that manner, you can solve that numerical. Next, question number 5. There are 3 resistors joined by this. First of all, we have to find the net R. Net R in parallel combination 1 upon R, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3, and they are 1 upon 5, 10, 30, and their LCM will be all of now 30. So 5 6 के 30 6, 10 3 30 3 3 3, 30 30 430 you have to reverse, then Rp will be 30 upon 10, it will be 3 ohm. This is the net R. Net R over, that means R parallel will be 3 ohm. Now we have to find current through 30 ohm. How will you find? Listen, this is the Rp. First of all, we will find here current. How much current will be passed from here? Check out. Current V upon Rp. What is V here? 12 volt. And Rp is 30. That means 4 ampere current will pass through that battery. There is 4 ampere current. Now this 4 ampere current as reach here, it will be divided into 3 parts, 2 and 3. You have to find current for 3. That current will be given by, this is R, and we know that potential in each parallel combination is same. So to find I3, formula will be V upon R. V upon R. What is V here? 12 volt. And R is in that circuit 30 ohm. And what is I3? We have to find 12 upon 30. It means 6 2 5 2 upon 5. 6 दूनी 12, 6 दूनी 30, 2 बटा 5. That means 50.4 ampere current will flow through the R3 circuit. And similarly, you can find for 3, 10 ohm and 5 ohm also. Just you have to divide this by this or this by this. In that manner, you can find the total current, each current across each resistors. Now we will solve the question number 6. Question number 6 is very important. There is a metal wire having length 1 meter. Diameter of the wire available. Diameter 0.3 mm. First of all, we have to find R, that is D bar 2. So 0.3 upon 2 mm. Or if we convert into meter, then it will be 0.3 10 ki minus 3 upon 2. If we cut it, then it will be 3 upon 10. This one 3 upon 10 into 1 by 2 into 10 ki minus 3. This 10 is the power 10 की minus 4. एक पावर पर जाएगी and ये घट जाएगा 1.5. This will be our net R for that wire. While the capital R, how much? 26 ohm available. Now we know R का formula rho L by E होता है, factors में पढ़ा है. तो what is resistivity? This one. To find resistivity RA by L, you have to put that formula. What is R? 26 ohm. Area we know that wire area is pi R square, where pi 22/7 and R this one 1.5 10 की minus 4 का square. You have to put here 22 and this 1.5 10 की minus 4 का square, and behind divide L. L is 1 meter. You have to put 1. Now solve and get the answer. Then rho is equal to 26, 22, and this is your 7. You have to put here, and 15 feet. Okay. 1.5 10 की minus 4 into 10 की minus 2 10 की minus 8. After removing near decimals, you have to put 100 in division. Then 100 will be 10 power. 10 की minus 10. Now solve. 15 गुना 15 225 75 15, that will be 225. So 26 22 225 divided by 7 20 minus 3. Now you have to solve this. If you solve that value, then you will get the answer for the resistivity, and that value can be solved in an easy manner. Multiply all these terms and divide by 7 and into 10 की minus 10 attach it. In that manner, all the numerical can be solved. Please try some problems from your notebook and book, NCERT books also. If you have any problem faced, then ask me. I will definitely solve your problem. And if you like this channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel and gain much and much knowledge regarding physics.